hitrox.
KHADC Deputy CEM Pinchngan and CEM has rejected the Voice of the People's Party Chief Arden Miller Basayaumat's description of current MDCs as expired. CEM argued that the term is legally incorrect, as the extension of the term of the House by 6 or 1 year is clearly stated in the proviso of paragraph 2 of the 6th schedule. In response to the VPP fielding a sitting MDC, Andrew Shulai, in the upcoming KHADC elections, CEM stated that every organization needs a mix of new and experienced faces, and the VPP's decision reflects their stance.
La extend yangi kat kum ka nongrim jong ka siksidil kepala kran syai ba la aban extend na kabenta cisnem apo tingas ngau banong ba nyidei ki expired MDC ka long ki ka bomla ban long legally